Hey, welcome back to the channel, you guys. Today, I'm posting a video from a ProCreate session, doodle session that I did of a recurring character on this channel and in my personal life. He's part of a duo of characters called Frank and Beans. This is, of course, Beans, my alligator. And I wanted to do kind of a humorous take on, whenever we first had the whole event that we're all, challenged with currently with the pandemic, and the whole toilet paper situation, and my first inclination was to, do kind of a fun little quip about, where's all the toilet paper going, and lo and behold, it's, Beans taking the toilet paper. Anyway, he's kind of out of his element. He's in the city, and he's got his little fedora on, and he's getting off the subway, and he's got this huge pack of toilet paper, and he's like, "Hey, buddy, yeah, I got some toilet paper." So just kind of tongue in cheek, a little bit of fun. Anyway, working in ProCreate, one of my favorite programs of all time, of course, on the iPad Pro. Love ProCreate, and every single update and iteration that they come up with and add to the program makes it even more valuable as I progress through. Of course, purchasing brushes all the time, I'm always constantly experimenting, and that's what I did with this. This was kind of a little bit more of an experimentation more than a illustration to tell a story. I went in and experimented with different linen brushes, watercolor brushes, possibly doing no lines, and then I added the lines, and gosh, this thing went through so many different thoughts. And eventually I just got to the point where I'm like, you know what, I just want to finish it. And I think that's kind of what happens with me sometimes as I get, mired down in all the details, and I forget, eventually this illustration does have to come to an end. But anyway, that's kind of where this one came from. No reference, just sat down and started drawing and doodling and having some fun. And of course, Beans is near and dear to my heart. And, continually working on that children's book and trying to come up with something that is viable and useful. But anyway, that's pretty much all for today. So thank you guys for joining me. Like and subscribe if you like what you see. Hit that notification bell. And of course, as always, go out and draw something. And have a great day.